Hi guys, welcome to my video. So today we're going to be taking you to a car wash. It's really crazy, so we're going to take you there. Let's go. Look, let's go. Yeah, so we're just heading off. I'll be very close. Are we far? So we're not far.
I see your face.
So we're just heading off to there. And then we're going. Also today, I bought a Mega Mod. You might not see him, but can you see him? I don't know if can you see him? Can you see him? Squishy. Can you see the balls inside him? Can you see the balls inside him? I can. So yeah, I'm just playing with my Mega Mod. I just bought it today, right now. So in my £10. So yeah. So Daddy, why did you say that? You're in your first video. Just say hi.
Be in the video.
Just say hi.
Hi.
You're a new, yeah, he's a new person in the video. Are you, Daddy?
Yes.
So then, this is actually my first video. If you watched my other two videos, thank you for watching them. And please subscribe on them. Please. Please subscribe. Because I really want you to. Okay? So we're just heading off. Here we are. If you see car wash, then that will be it. So, yeah. So we're just going to the car wash. We're just going. Here we are. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. So my mom's getting ready. Are you?
I am. Get my purse out.
Yeah. Can I see your logo on your purse? Look, it's so cool. It's so cool. It's gold. It's gold. It's gold. So yeah, again a Mega one. I'm gonna get in the Mega one. Sorry guys. Sorry guys. Sad. Sorry. So where are we gonna go now? Which one are we getting, Mummy?
Wash number two.
Number 2. Hot wash. We're getting a hot wash.
Hiya, wash number 2, please.
Okay, we're going.
Yes, please.
We're going. They're getting wash number 2 too.
You're going to show what's happening.
Look what's happening. Look.
Thank you.
Yeah, look, can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Yeah, it's a bit crazy, so let's go. So yeah, just going in. Look, please. It's gonna spray it, is he, Mummy? Ah! Look, you can't see it now. It's blank. It's blank. Oh yeah.
Show it to the blacks.
So what to them?
See it?
They are seeing it. Right. Yeah, sorry guys, you just got sprayed. Now we're gonna move forward.
Into the car wash.
Now it's gonna drive us to there. It's gonna drive us to there. It's gonna drive us. It's gonna drive us. Okay, it's gonna drive us. It's gonna drive us. Oh no! Hey, let's go. Let's go. Look at it. Oh no. Look at it. We're gonna go. That is gonna go on us. Look. Can you see it? I bet you can see it. I can. So, oh, dun 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 dun. Oh. See Molly, but I can. Oh look, mine is coming! Mine is coming! Look! It's here! Attacking us! It's attacking us! There, so we're just... What's happening now, Mummy?
I think we get sprayed again, I think.
Sprayed again. We're gonna get sprayed again. My look, we're getting sprayed. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, we got sprayed. And what are they coming out? Are they snakes?
Snakes, yeah.
Look at that. I think they are snakes. They are. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun dun dun. We're just
Now get dried.
we're nearly gonna end this video. Please look. We're gonna get attacked. Sorry. We're gonna get
Snakes.
sauce.
Snakes.
Look at the snakes, dude. Dun 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 dun. Look at that dude over there. She's mental, boy. So we're just gonna go, and thank goodness. Yeah, so we're just going. I'm trying to sleep, but can't. I can't. Dun 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 dun. Na, 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 na. Okay, are we gonna end this video now, Mummy?
Well, we're finishing the car wash.
So we're gonna end this video right now. I hope you enjoyed. So smash that subscribe button and do the bye. How do I stop it?